Hey, have you ever heard of a slow cooker roast beef with garlic? It's really a must try. It's really amazing how the flavors of the coffee and the garlic complement each other in this dish. It's really magical. All you do is you take about a 4 or 5 pound beef roast, you put some cuts in it, and then I place that in my slow cooker. Then all you have to mix is a cup of strong coffee. It could be brewed fresh or it can be instant. And then soy sauce. You take your minced garlic. It can be fresh garlic. It could be garlic powder. As you can tell, I used minced garlic from a jar. Works up just fine. And I gave that a quick stir. Poured it over the top of the beef that's in the slow cooker. I kind of did spread the garlic over it a little bit more. Cover it and then cook it on low for 7 to 8 hours or high for 5 hours. Then take the drippings and put mixed cornstarch and water and bring it to a boil in the drippings and then stir it. Pour it over your beef and, of course, your mashed potatoes. I have a recipe for the mashed potatoes on the website, too, on Wholesome Farmhouse Recipes. Please make sure you stop by and enjoy.